We pulled the old Jag over with the Arctic Cat F800. Bro, we got the plugs out. Take these things out. See what these things look like, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. She definitely needs some new plugs. You see all this gunk? Come on. Tell them what you're doing here. Take that other plug out. See what it looks like. How these smart plugs looking, bro? We got to get your airbox on. Oh, yeah, bro. See all that black gunk? She definitely needed some new plugs. So we got some new. What we got?
Some respect plugs.
New NGK BR80Ss. Repeat that. Open the box. Show them what they look like. Show them the chrome. Hook. Jab to the body. Jab to the head. Jab to the body. Jab to the head. Take those gloves off, you diary of a wimpy kid. Yeah, that's why she was, Tom, she was running rough. Like, even when we first went to pull it out, she didn't want to start right up. Garbage. That looks much better. See these old ones? Clotted up. Oh, man. I think it's going to run a lot better with new plugs. I think that's what it needed. Now we got to get that airbox tight. I say we slap these right in and see what she does. Skis working out good for you? Bro got the new skis on it? Put on there.
Way better.
Definitely way better, right?
They're kind of like your skis. They're mostly like yours.
We got a Snowday FunDay. They closed school today. No. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she wanted new plugs. Oh, yeah. That's what she needed. She needed a new set of spark plugs. That's all she needed, boys. I don't even need the starting fluid anymore. Let's get some seat time on this bad boy. How's this going off the trail? Can you see? This is good. JJ leading the way. Oh! There goes my thing. You gotta go faster. Oh no. This is so good on that snowmobile. You're doing a good job, Big. Now we got JJ driving the F800. Chopper Jello is coming fast. Go flying on that little lag. You can go a little bit faster if you want to. What happened? What happened, Ding? Huh? Oh. You don't want the rain. What? What? What?
But I ride your snowmobile and Sissy ride that now.
Sissy, you gonna drive yours again?
No. You can drive it, Sissy.
Can you drive yours, Sissy?
No.
JJ wanna ride this one.
No.
Why don't you wanna drive Joel's snowmobile?
No. I don't like that one.
You can drive Joel's.
No.
Come ride Joel's foot.
Okay, I'll ride this other.
You wanna ride that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna ride this.
Want me to make it faster? How do you check now? Open up again. They smoked us again. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Can this fish smell?
Alright, Sissy, go ride yours now.
No.
Come on, JJ, wanna ride with me for a second?
No. No, I don't like yours. No.
Sissy, you hop on the back and let's let JJ drive.
No.
Yeah, hop on the back with me.
No.
Come on. Sissy being a big baby. We got Sissy on the 120 now. JJ's on the 800 by himself. Because he burnt the sprocket out on his quad, his snowmobile. Look at this big man. we're gonna get some clips of us ripping over here.
Where'd you going? Oh. Here comes the big man, the big hunk. Look at this guy, 4 years old. 4 years old. What? Look at my Pootie and my Jocelyn. Whoa, oh! Dun, 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 dun. Woo. Oh, big hunk, big hunk. Look at that thing, big hunk. Sorry, man. Sorry, my son. Woo. Slippery over here. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, he's taking a break. Let's see what he's got to say. What happened? He's taking a break?
My hands are cold.
Oh!
I'm so cheeky.
Huh?
My hands.
Whoa! Well, sir. Joel! You got me. What the heck? You want me to beat you, bro? You riding that big thing?
Ride that snowmobile and follow me and Sissy.
You don't want to downgrade no more. You love it? You like this one? Which one you want to ride? This one or that one? This one? You're too big, man.
You gonna drive me and Sissy? Look, he's drifting. Joel's drifting the snowmobile. Look.